Very good morning from London. Has been one of the quieter sessions so far in European trade. There's very little in terms of economic data, and that has been allied with very little in terms of news flow to report in terms of overnight or through to the European session. That has therefore left us with some thinner market volumes. Bund contract has only done around 120,000 contracts so far on the day, and we have seen some exaggerated moves across the asset classes due to this thinner volume. A couple of things worth noting still, that the Spanish PM Rajoy has been speaking in Spanish Parliament, confirming then there will be around 65 billion euros worth of budget measures over the next 2.5 years. And specifically, they will be raising VAT to 21% from 18% specifically. And we have seen some tightening of the Italian and Spanish 10-year government bond yield spreads. But generally, it has to be taken with some slight concern, seeing as though Spain is in a recession and therefore they will still also be doing these spending cuts. Does not spell or look too good for the Spanish economy going forward. Elsewhere, in terms of the euro currency, we have seen some bids go through. There's been some general chatter that there has been some unwinding of Asian sovereign names who have been long the US dollar and therefore bidding in the euro-dollar currency pair, just lifting the euro currency across the board. In also the currency space, particular note, the Aussie currency has been generally quite strong in comparison. There's been the overnight Australian consumer confidence data coming in at 3.7%, much higher than the previous figure, and that has lifted alongside the other commodity-linked currencies, with the energy complex trading in positive territory this morning, also spot gold trading in positive territory. Recently we have seen the Bund auction results, Germany coming to the market with 5 billion euros worth of the 2022 Bund futures, equivalent to around 41,000 of the Bund futures. And we saw a generally solid auction compared to the previous bid to cover 1.5, and that did cause a slight rally, with Bund futures having been dampened due to the supply running into the auction there. Similar story has been seen in T-notes. They've been trading in negative territory in the European session ahead of the FOMC minutes and also the 10-year supply of around $21 billion out of the US. Otherwise, as noted, it's generally quite quiet, nothing really to note on the macro front. We could see possible comments out of ECB's Novotny later on in the session, but otherwise all eyes will be turning to the FOMC minutes in the US session. Otherwise, that's it from me. Hope you've had a good trading day so far and have a good trading day going forward. Thank you.